Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will be showing you guys how I dyed my full lace wig, and this is how it looked after. And this is the same wig that I filmed about when I showed you guys how to style a full lace wig. This is the same exact wig, and I'll put the link down below under the video. So these are the tools that you will need. So I have 2 packs of dye, and I used Revlon Color Silk, and I used the colors 3 and 4. And I've picked up this bleach from Sally's, and it's quick blue, and this is a really strong bleach. And these are the instructions that comes in the Revlon kit, and that's the dye and the activator and the conditioner, but I'm going to use my own conditioner, and I'm going to show you guys what conditioner I use. So now I'm going to pour the activator in the dye. And you're gonna take that quick blue bleach, and you're gonna pour it right in the dye. And I did use both packs of that as well, and it didn't damage my hair at all. And you're gonna mix it with the brush, and this should be like a thick toothpaste consistency. And you're gonna apply the dye by using that brush, and you're going to apply it from the ends all the way up. And I wanted an ombre look, so I didn't go all the way up to the roots. So I stopped like just a little bit over the middle, if that makes any sense. And to make sure that I got an even coating, I flipped the wig over and I coated the other side as well. And I waited about 30 to 40 minutes, and that's how it came out. So I washed the hair with It's a 10 Miracle shampoo, and I love this shampoo because it keeps the moisture in the hair, because when you bleach your hair, it takes the moisture out. So you want to put moisture back in so it won't be really frizzy. And you can wash the hair as many times as you want, but I wash it 3 times at least. And I conditioned the hair with It's a 10 conditioner. It comes with conditioner, but I wanted to use my own. And this was the finished look. The curls were still in there. It didn't look frizzy at all. Like, it looked pretty good. And that's while it was still wet. And this is how it looked when it was dry, and as you can see, the curls are still popping and it looks really, really good. Like, it doesn't look frizzy at all. It still looks healthy. And if you guys enjoyed watching this video and you actually got something from it, can you please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.